Is your WhatsApp call coming through, but the display light isn't turning on your iPhone? But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the issue of WhatsApp calls not lighting up on your iPhone's screen. So let's get started. Before moving on, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and also turn off the low power mode. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced settings. Solution 1. Check hardware issue. Open up the App Store, tap the search icon. Type Check My Device on the search bar. Tap the install icon. Then tap Open. After that, tap Allow, Don't Allow. Scroll down. Now tap Proximity Test. Now put your hand on the proximity sensor at the top, on the front camera. If it blinks, then there is no problem with your hardware. But if it's not blinking, that means there's a hardware issue. You may go to the customer care. But if it's okay, then you can follow the next solutions. Solution 2. Check iPhone notification settings. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Now tap Show Previews. Make sure to choose Always here. Then go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Now enable the Allow Notifications. Next, make sure to enable the Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners Alert. Now restart your iPhone and then see whether it is solved or not. Solution 3. Check WhatsApp notification settings. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap the settings icon below. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Notifications. Make sure to enable all the settings except the clear badge. Still, if your issue persists, tap Reset Notification Settings from the bottom. Tap Reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. Solution 4. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. Hope it is solved by now. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.